What's cooking, foodies? Today we're making my Nana's rich and decadent Valentine's Day fudge. Love you, Nana.
Mwah.
Perfect for that special someone. So let's get started. 4 cups of sugar, 1 12-ounce can evaporated milk, a half a cup of butter, 2 12-ounce packages of chocolate chips, 1 10-ounce package of marshmallows, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, sprinkles or your preferred nuts. To prepare your 13 by 9 inch pan, coat the pan in butter so your parchment paper will stick. And then I cut 4 slits on my parchment paper so that it would fit in my pan nicely. To your 6-quart pot, add butter, evaporated milk, and sugar. Turn on high heat and bring the candy to a boil, stirring continuously. I highly recommend a candy thermometer so you do not burn the candy. Continue to boil until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit or 115 degrees Celsius. This is known as the softball stage for candy. Anything higher would be too hard to fudge and anything lower would be too soft to fudge. Depending on your stove, you'll want to keep your heat on full high or bring it down to a medium-high heat so you do not burn your candy. Stir continuously for 8 to 10 minutes till temperature is reached. Remove from heat and immediately stir in your marshmallows, vanilla, and chocolate chips. Stir until well combined. The mixture will also start to thicken. Transfer your fudge to your pan, and then I found out that it's better to place your sprinkles in the bottom of the pan first and then place the fudge on top of it. It sticks way better. Learn from my mistakes. Place in the fridge to cool and harden.
Hours later.
And the fudge is ready. So we'll go ahead and taste here. Take a bite. It's rich. It's creamy, melts in your mouth. Everything a perfect batch of fudge is supposed to do. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video, and I'll see you next time.